You have a dispute with the car dealer who sold you your car. You've contacted an attorney and you are ready to go to court to get this problem settled. But then your lawyer calls you and says that the other side wants to go to mediation. Well, what is that? And is it something you should do? Well, in just a moment, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Sometimes when a lawsuit gets filed, one of the first things a court will do is schedule a mediation. A mediation is a meeting between you and the other side where you get to tell your side of the story, they get to tell their side of the story, and then a mediator tries to determine whether or not you can reach some kind of settlement with the other side. Now, this is good business on both sides of the problem. If you're a defendant, it can reduce your legal bills significantly if you can reach an agreeable settlement with the person who's threatening to sue you or who has sued you. And you can do it out of court, and it will reduce the amount of money you have to pay your attorney or your insurance company has to pay your attorney. On the other side, if you're a plaintiff, it means that you get an early resolution of your case. Yeah, you probably are not going to get millions of dollars this way, but you may get a fair resolution much more quickly than you would otherwise. So for that reason, it can be a good deal on both sides. Now, in a mediation, what normally happens is the person who's suing will go first and say, the car dealership did A, B, and C, and we think they defrauded us, or we think that the car was defective, we want a refund, whatever it is that you really want. The other side gets up and says, well, we checked that car. You don't think we did anything wrong. We certainly weren't trying to rip you off. We want to try and make this right. And a lot of times the mediator will meet separately with each different party, and they'll take offers back and forth. The dealer says he's willing to, fix the transmission at no charge. Or the dealer says he's willing to give you $500 for your trouble. And the other side comes back and says, well, $500 is not quite enough. We think we need $1,500 so that we can get all of the problems with the car fixed. Either way, you negotiate back and forth until you reach an agreeable settlement with the other side. That's the process of mediation, and it can vastly speed up how quickly you can reach an agreement with the other side. So it makes it easier for you to settle your differences. A lot of times it means that your lawyer takes a little bit less money, and he tends to be happy if he can get you taken care of and get you satisfied with the result in the end. If you have any questions about this, there are services in most big cities that provide mediation services and can tell you more about them. You can also find information on the web simply by Googling mediation. Now, none of the foregoing has been legal advice. It's been general information about the law. If you need legal advice, you have to see a lawyer in your jurisdiction. If you found this helpful, I hope you will smash the like button on the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time we post a video. Now, to get the notification for every video, you'll need to hit the little bell and say you want all of our notifications. That way you'll be ensured to get everything that we put out. If you've enjoyed this, I hope you'll do that. I hope you'll smash the like button and take care of us. Otherwise, I hope you'll have a terrific day. Thank you so much for watching.